Nymera CalmRise is being promoted as a silent, vibrating alarm designed specifically for people with ADHD and autism. But the real question is whether it actually helps or if it's just marketing built around a real idea. Now, the concept behind this isn't fake. Vibrating alarms are real and commonly used, especially for deep sleepers or people who are sensitive to sound. The CalmRise works by delivering a strong vibration on the wrist instead of using noise, which can reduce sensory overload. However, here's the key point. The concept is valid, but the product itself is heavily marketing-driven and not unique. There are some real positives. First, the approach makes sense. For people with ADHD or autism, loud alarms can trigger stress or meltdowns, so a silent vibration can be a gentler alternative. Second, it can improve independence. Wearing an alarm on the wrist means the user can wake up without relying on others, which is genuinely useful. Third, it solves a real problem, especially for shared rooms or sensory-sensitive users. That said, there are important concerns. First, most claims come from the brand itself. The website relies heavily on testimonials and emotional stories, with little independent verification. Second, it's not unique. Similar vibrating alarms and wearable devices already exist, often without the heavy ADHD/autism solution branding. Third, effectiveness varies. Some users, especially very deep sleepers, may still ignore vibrations, while others may find wearing a device uncomfortable. And importantly, it's not a medical solution. It doesn't treat ADHD or autism. It simply changes how you wake up. So, does Nymera CalmRise actually work? It can, but with realistic expectations. The bottom line is this. CalmRise is based on a legit and useful idea, vibration instead of sound, which can help some people with ADHD or autism wake up more calmly. But the product itself is not revolutionary, and the strong claims are mostly marketing. It's a helpful tool for the right person, not a guaranteed fix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.